Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Losers to Winners. Before we get started, I have something to share with you guys. I've been watching the analytics. We now got 2 months. Yay! And the average view time is about 2.5 minutes, which tells me that you guys are showing up and you want to hear about the winners only so far. I mean, I haven't got any other comments, so let's just focus there. Who wants to hear about the losers? We just want to go losers to winners. So that said, tonight's format is going to be changed, and that is we're only going to talk about the winners and the positive side of the trade, and then we'll let the others just float along measly down the river until they reach a point of either giving us a profit, exiting, or going back to the loser circle. So here we are. Let's go to the charts because WABA dropped to 94%. So let's see what that means. Here's the chart. And you can see here that we are right there. Let's go ahead and zoom in just a little bit closer to make it easier for you guys. And WABA's owes 598. So now what's going to happen next is we have triggered the last bar low rule. So the last low here is 61.78, and then I take that down to the next nickel zone, which would be 61.65. So I'm going to change my alert. Why? So I remember my order ticket. Yeah, I'm not writing it down like I should because I have it here on screen. So here we are. There it is, 61.65, which is the low here. And we'll come here to our notes, change this out to the 13th, last bar low exit, 61.65. And we're going to highlight it, copy it, send it, change it here on the order ticket, get rid of the staging stuff, which is really a pain in the neck. Come to the sprocket, there it is, 61.65, save, confirm, and paste, and send. Orders away. And you can check right there, we have 61.65. So our next leader, now, what that of course means, we're not out of the woods yet on the whole trade, but remember my motto, 598 minus, if we get stopped out tomorrow, we might be looking at maybe 300 even, maybe. So let's say we do get 300. That means we're now only dealing with 298 the next time that this gets into a position of the pattern for my entry. And that's what this is about. Stop out, get the profit, move on. So that said, let's go on to DIA. Here's DIA. And DIA is here. DIA is in the profit zone, and our low, we're going off the dipper here. Now remember, I was looking to be in the profit zone past this line for the trade and the horizontal line for the payback. So 580. Our target is 282.29 to get back to 580, and a nice up candle there today. Very nice up candle. So we have our dipper, and we're going to be looking at the low here, 275.39, and what do we have here at my value line? This is our midfield team coming down to the defenders for the profit, 275.39. So who is the closest to the out? Well, this one here is 275.39, and this is 275.39. So what's my out? My out is going to be 275.25. Let's go ahead and create an alert so I don't forget. 275.25. Boom. There's our alert. Now we'll come here to our notes, and we'll change up our notes. Nice. Nice jump on the out. So now we are 11.13 for the day, and we are 275.25. We'll highlight that, capture it, send it, go to the market order, replace it, hit our sprocket. This thing is really not responding well tonight. 275.25, send, get rid of the staging orders, pin the neck, confirm, drop in my notes, done. Now I am protecting some profit. Now granted, we are 580 underwater. We are at 330 on the trade. That makes us 250. Again, it's a lot easier to recapture 250 than try to capture the 580 if we don't get it. Stochastics is very strong on the up, but the MACD is not in total agreement. So we have a little conflict of indicators there, but we have set our out. That's all can be done. Well, that's it for the Tigers, Leo. Let's go see what Alpha has to show. Oh, wow. Look at that. Alpha has nothing to report. And who wants to bother reviewing the old losers, right? Until they become into the profit zone and give us some possibilities, we might as well not bother. So that really is the new format of just going out and checking the winners, those who are in profit zone, and shoring up their exits so that we can protect that profit. And remember the motto, big rocks turn into little pebbles become profit. With that, I thank you very much for attending the Losers to Winners for November 13, 2019 on WBA. And I thank you. Good evening, and trade well, trade smart, trade profitable. Thank you. Bye-bye.